Not very many times do I ask you to do it. Right?
Mom, I'm posting this to YouTube.
Okay. Put your clothes away, Gabby.
Shut up.
How many likes can I get for that?
0.
Alright, now just stop it.
Why? I'm on the counter. Spying on Mom. Hey Mom, look how high you are.
Oh.
Rob, my camera's taller than you. Noemi. Ah. Yeah. Hey Mom, can we make cookies tonight?
I don't know. You're already asking that question.
Oh.
Hey, Gabby, can you put your clothes away in the basket tonight?
I don't know, you already asked me that question. Yeah, I'd come up with comebacks too. Hey Mom, can you say bye?
No.
Why not?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know how.
See if mushy goo stuff.
Mushy goo stuff will be in your belly soon. Can you stop?
Why?
Because I said.
Because you said?
Yes.
Because you said but.
I didn't say but.